And go! Welcome back to D-Loney V8 Motorsports. We are here at the Fred Davis compound. We're standing in front of a 55 Nomad. This car hasn't run for 40 years. 40 years.
4-0.
Yeah, 4-0. We're gonna try to fire this thing up. I'm gonna try to, edit the video. We'll see how it turns out. But wait for the end. We'll see if this thing runs.
Isn't it the 427?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's give it the specs. So this is a big block, 427. It's got an M24 speed in it. What's the rear end? Stock rear end?
Yeah.
Okay. Yellow 55. We finally got Fred on camera here. We're going to do some more interviews with Fred. But this is a shop that, been hanging out here since 1978?
1978.
Something like that. So yeah,
when these kids were about this big.
yeah, right. So we'll be back. We'll hear what this thing sounds like. Should be good. Stay tuned.
Good Lord.
Here we are. Here we are.
Here we are.
Welcome back to D-Loney V8 Motorsports.
Welcome.
We're here at the Davises. We're going to fire this Nomad. That's the goal.
Maybe.
We're here with all the Davises. Well, Wendy's not here.
No. But there's a lot of flat surfaces.
Yeah. This is the garage that we started hanging out in 1978. And this is a 1955 Nomad.
Good Lord.
We'll be back. It'll be running. Just keep watching.
Keep it real.
How long do you want this right here, Scott?
Well, it doesn't matter because you're going to put a different card on it.
1843657
Plus the 4-7 swap.
and a 2-3 swap. Wait, what's the LS?
What's the LS?
What's the LS swap?
1872654.
They got a lot of swaps going on.
But that's also the same as our motorhomes.
Yes.
It is?
The 8.2
Did
or
not-
8.1s, whatever.
Did not know that.
Yeah.
Well, they're coil plug.
I was going to say, you can't really screw it up.
No, you
I've
can't.
tried. Yeah.
He tried.
Yeah. It worked.
Where were we? Ely, Nevada.
What?
At 4 in the morning.
When I had to reset it?
No, when I had to reset it, when we pulled out of the
I
truck
reset
stop.
it.
We pulled out of the truck stop. We're like 2.5 miles up the road. It goes into limp mode, and I'm like, "We're going up a hill. Do I need to pull over?" No, you should be fine.
I grabbed the thick and I reset
I
it.
had to pull over in the right lane with
Oh.
the emergency flashers on because
Yeah.
you were rummy.
I was still waking up.
Bump it, would you? Go ahead, Dad. Look up the points. Okay. It's a very, very weak spark. But it does
Why would
have.
that be?
Hey,
Adjustment on the points?
It could be, or it could be.
Or
coil.
30 points?
so that coil's kind of loose in that bracket?
That doesn't matter.
The ground doesn't matter?
No.
No.
I think your only option is to either change the coil if he has another coil somewhere, which you know he does, or the distributor. Hey, Dad,
I know they're already
you got a
running.
coil somewhere?
Oh, yeah.
I'd grab a coil first before we go through the distributor thing.
I don't think it is, but I guess.
How many times have you ever had a coil go bad, Scotty?
I've had them go bad before,
Have you?
Yeah.
but not.
Not very often.
I was in the driveway in 1976.
When the one blew up?
Yes.
That was in a '57 Chevy because it was on the key
Yes,
on
it
the
was a-
battery charger.
That was, and I got blamed for it. What did you do?
You turned the key on.
Was it a green
I
one?
did not.
A green 152.
The 152
Yeah.
post. You paid like $250 for that car.
I paid like 175 for it.
Is the rotor tang
Worked on
hitting
it
the
for
cap?
5 minutes to the guy's yard and drove home.
No, is the rotor tang
Remember
hit-
that? It was a V8 with a 3-speed.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is it a stalker or does it have a cam? That's the
I
question.
have no idea.
I guess we're gonna find out.
We are going to find out.
It's frustrating. You would think that it would be ready to go.
I know. V8 Chevrolet motors,
Yeah.
they don't beat us, Scott.
No.
They don't beat us. We
Yeah.
work on them until they run. Well, that's what you want me to do, fuel
No,
pump.
I want you to do this one.
Huh?
Why don't you do this one? So we have spark.
Isn't that what I got?
This will give you spark.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Okay. I got you.
Okay, Dave. Okay.
How about fuel pump?
Yeah, I need fuel pump now and I need a little more advance. I saw an arc over here. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that right here.
Oh, was that what it was?
Yeah.
Okay, Dave.
You gonna fire it again?
Yeah, just for a second. Stand over here, stand over.
Tell me when I'll hook up the electric.
Hook it all up, Dad.
Okay.
Okay, Dave. Give me the flash scripters, Dad.
Key's already on. Dave didn't turn it off.
Yeah, I did.
It was on.
Wait. Okay, here we go.
Wait a minute, he's still
Oh, we're crimping wires.
flipping some wires here.
Okay. Last minute wiring.
What do you think I learned from?
Just twist them together. There you go. You got it. It'll run. Nice.
There it is.
Got a little vacuum leg?
Funky looking painted scene on the glove box.
That's kind of cool. I'd leave that.
Yeah. From way
You
back.
know who that reminds me of?